if you are using PNPM as your package manager for your Next.js application and you are manually configuring the build settings for deployment to Vercel, make sure that for your build command that you set it to PNPM run build. And for your install command, make sure you set that to PNPM install. And I typically leave the output directory to default. Somewhere in the Vercel Next.js documentation, it says that the Vercel environment is supposed to be able to pick up, quote unquote, that you're using PNPM, but I've had enough people tell me that their deployment failed because of this issue as we were debugging the deployment failure together. So if you're using PNPM with Next.js and your initial deployment to Vercel fails, you might want to look into the build settings here. And in case you don't know, Vercel is the company that owns Next.js. Vercel actually has a very generous free tier. You can deploy your Next.js application um, for free here. Now, you don't need a domain, but the free domain will have the word Vercel in it. And just to be clear, you can deploy your Next.js application for free to other cloud provider as well. PNPM works great with Next.js. I have been using PNPM with Next for about a year. It's been great, no issues. At the time of this recording, I have the latest version of Next.js installed in this application. Now you may have noticed that on line number 6, I am using TurboPack to run the dev command. I have been using that for a while, for at least 8 months. And then for my build command, I'm also using TurboPack. Now, building with TurboPack, obviously it's only in the dev environment, but this is still in beta status at the time of this recording. Now, earlier I took a screenshot comparing running the application in the local development environment utilizing TurboPack versus not which versus Webpack 5, obviously, right? Because Webpack 5 is what comes with Next.js. And for what is worth to you, you can draw your own conclusions there. Obviously, this data is anecdotal at best. That Next.js application is just an intersection observer application for infinite scrolling. It's green because I built this on St. Patrick's Day. So to honor St. Patrick's Day, I did everything in green. It's a simple app for what it's worth to you. Okay, my dear friends, hopefully that's going to solve your build deployment failure to Vercel. If that was beneficial for you, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.